In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Asana and Google. We'll sign into Asana using your Google account, create a new project, browse the built-in templates available to your organization, and then walk through the key project views so you know exactly where to work once you're set up. Start by heading to the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This uses Google to authenticate you securely, so you don't have to manage a separate password. When Google's account chooser appears, select the Google account you want to use. If you have multiple profiles, pick the one associated with your work so Asana connects you to the right workspace. If your browser asks for permission or opens a new window, allow it so the sign-in completes smoothly. Once you're in Asana, click Home to get oriented. Home is your personal dashboard with recent projects and quick access to what matters most. Next, open Projects in the sidebar to view and organize your workspaces. To start something new, click the plus sign, then choose New Project. This opens the creation flow where you can either browse templates or start fresh. If you want to see recommended templates from your company, select My Organization. You can explore curated categories that match common workflows. Click Marketing to see campaign and content planning options. Open Operations and PMO to find process planning and portfolio structures. Check out Productivity for personal and team efficiency templates. You can also click More to browse additional categories for design, IT, product engineering, HR, and sales and CX. These templates come with sections, fields, and example tasks that you can adapt, which saves setup time while keeping your process consistent. When you're done exploring, head back by clicking For You. If you prefer complete control, choose Create Blank Project to start from scratch. Continue through the prompt, then confirm by selecting Create Project. Asana will spin up your new space instantly. With your project open, let's tour the main ways to view your work. Click List to see a straightforward list of tasks, perfect for outlining work, and from here, you can add your tasks and organize them into sections. Switch to Board for a column-based view that's great for tracking status as tasks move from left to right. Open Timeline to visualize dates and dependencies on a Gantt-style chart, which helps you spot conflicts and plan schedules. Finally, check Dashboard to see auto-generated charts and metrics that highlight progress and potential bottlenecks at a glance. That's the flow. Sign in with Google, go to Home, Open Projects, create a project, browse templates by category or start blank, then work in List, Board, Timeline, and Dashboard as needed.